Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing money come in while you were sleeping. No alarms, no boss, no rush hour traffic. Sounds fake, but it's not magic. It's systems. Passive income doesn't mean zero work. It means you work once and get paid many times. In 2026, one of the smartest ways to do this is digital products like ebooks, templates, or simple guides that you create once and sell unlimited times using platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. Another powerful option is faceless YouTube channels in niches like finance, motivation, or AI, where you can outsource scripting, voiceover, and editing and earn from ads and affiliates long after the videos are uploaded. Affiliate marketing also works when done right. Print on demand is another great stream, where you design items like t-shirts or mugs once and let platforms handle printing and ship. Finally, dividend stocks and ETFs offer the most stable form of passive income by paying you regularly just for holding them. Not exciting, but extremely reliable over time. You don't need to do all of these, just pick one. Stay consistent, build one system first, and then stack more as you grow.